In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate SMS authentication on your Binance account in 2025. This important security feature adds an extra layer of protection to your account, ensuring that only you can access it. Let's walk through the process together to set this up via the Binance website. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and type in Binance.com to visit the official Binance website. It's essential to always make sure you're visiting the correct website to avoid any phishing scams. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your Binance account using your credentials. If you're not yet familiar with how to log in, simply enter your email and password and complete any existing two-factor authentication steps required for extra security. Now that you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and hover over this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. Clicking on Account will lead you to a page full of different settings. From here, select Security to access your safety-related settings. You should now find yourself on the Security Settings page where you can see a section named Two-Factor Authentication. This is where you enhance your account's safety measures. Scrolling down slightly, you'll notice the phone number option. Click on Enable next to it to begin the process of setting up SMS authentication. At this point, it's time to enter your mobile phone number. Make sure you input this carefully to avoid any errors. After you've entered your number, click on Send Code. It may take a moment, but soon you'll receive a text message containing a verification code. Check your SMS inbox for this code. It's the key to finalizing this setup. Once you've received the code on your phone, enter it into the designated field on the Binance website. This step verifies that the phone number you provided is indeed your own. With the correct code in place, click on Submit to complete the process. And there you have it. Your phone number is now successfully linked to your Binance account for SMS authentication. What this means is that whenever you or someone else tries to access your account, a verification code will be sent to this phone number as an added security measure. It's a simple yet effective way to safeguard your digital assets and personal information. Thanks for watching, and now that you know how to set up SMS authentication, you've taken a crucial step in ensuring your account's security. Stay safe out there, and remember that keeping your information secure is always a worthwhile investment.